Hello, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how I do cooking with herbs. Okay, as ingredients we got rice, which I already washed it. Okay, I put it in steamer, my steamer. So then I use a vegeta. That's herbs. That's spices what I buy. I turn around the opposite way so I get a coarse spices first. So when I cook the rice, it stays nicely. It melts it nicely into the rice. So when you cook it, then you use a little bit of olive oil. Okay. And then I use filtered water. I don't like using the tap water because it's got lots of chemicals in it. I usually use twice as much water as I use rice. Okay. Now, so we turn this on. All right. Put a top on it. All right, and I will come back to it to show you what I do next. In the meantime, there's the meat here with my spices. Some of the spices we grow ourselves. If you have a look at it, look at the color. Okay, so it's garlic, onions, parsley. That's what we grow ourselves, and then we will have turmeric, ginger, and curry powder. Okay, so this has been frozen, as you can tell. So I'm gonna come back to it and show you what to do next. Okay, as you can see, now the rice is finished. Okay, and I usually turn it off. And let it bubble. As you can see, the rice, I didn't mention before, I cooked the rice in water that is bubbling underneath it, as you can see now. Okay, and not actually cooking in the rice itself, in the water itself. So there is steaming the rice. Okay, the olive oil I added to it so it separates easier. Each particle separates easily, that doesn't become nasty. Okay. Okay, so next part is to deal with the meat. I added before a little bit of herb salt, what I make it myself. I told you about it. Okay, now, so the next thing is
mix it up a little bit more of this herb salt with the meat, and so it's nice, as you can see from frozen, has become nearly ready to be dealt with. There's a few more frozen parts. I want to get rid of those. Okay. Wash my hands quickly. And put the bolts on this. Okay. Beautiful. Alright. Sorry about that. I'm not over the stand. So, is not only for one meal, this is for a number of meals. So, okay. And, in the meantime, turn the oven on.
Now, oven is on. Okay, so everything is in there. Cook it 200 degrees. For about half an hour, and we'll be back with the magic of internet. And we add our special things, voila. In the meantime, while meat is in the oven, quickly prepare the carrots. By the way, one more thing, what I usually do, I cut this bit off. Okay, as you can see, it's got green things on it, and this is gonna be going into the soil for the
Next row of the carrots. They might not be as nice and beautiful as this one has been grown, but they will be more tastier. Now, I'm going to stir it up a little bit so you don't get bored or fall to sleep watching me and cut myself.
Okay, so already I have prepared dry garlic and olive oil, so it's gonna nicely soak in, and then we fry this carrots in it. It tastes tremendous. Okay, I come back to it when it's nearly done. Okay, as you can see, this is nearly half cooked. Okay, juices are flowing everywhere. Now comes the best bit, my famous relish. This is tomato relish. I made it in-house, and so it's mild, as you can see. Tomato relish mild. I don't know if you can see what is the ingredients, and the last one, lots of love. So you put this on, spread it a little bit, like this, and cook it for another half an hour on 200. Okay, in the meantime, the carrots is ready. All right, garlic and carrots and olive oil. Oh, this smells beautiful. I wish you can smell that. Somebody's gonna be very happy about today's meal. Very simple cooking with herbs. Okay, now it's time to serve. Okay, we got the rice here on the plate, we got carrots here, but most important, what we got here is a absolutely amazing food. Okay, if you have a look how it's just nicely bubbling along. Look at this in the corner there. How beautiful. Very nice. Now, hopefully I don't drop it, because then I'm gonna be dead. Oh man, this smells tremendous. This really does. Okay, get it a little bit closer. Oh, look at this. Absolutely amazing, look. This is absolutely amazing food. I think she's gonna like Frey. You reckon, Frey? Put a little bit of sauce. I wish you can smell that. I really do. Okay. She loves that spoon. Hey, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your patience. Bye.